A divorce can be emotionally tolling, whether it's a quick divorce or a lengthy divorce. It doesn't matter. At the end of the day, and a relationship is ending, a child is going to be shared between two parents, and life after divorce will be very different than what you're used to. Life after divorce will look very different. It also depends on each individual. For some, it may be a little bit difficult because now you have all the responsibilities over your children. You are not only going to work, you're also taking care of the kids and also coming back and taking care of them again. While on the other hand, you may also have an opportunity to have shared responsibility with the other parent, which may allow you to have some time for yourself, some freedom for yourself when you can focus on your own self-care instead of just fully being responsible for everything else in your daily life. Long-term financial impact can mean that now you have gone from 2 incomes to 1 income, or you may have to now work if you've never worked before during your marriage relationship. You may have to support 2 households. In addition, you may now be paying and taking care of yourself along with having to pay child support. An example from a real life divorce case that I've dealt with, and it's actually pretty common, is when you are in a relationship, marriage relationship is predominantly trust-based relationship, where it's not uncommon for one spouse to focus on one aspect of the marriage and the other spouse to focus on the other aspect of the marriage. For example, one spouse may be helping with the kids, raising the kids, taking care of the day-to-day things in the house, while the other spouse is taking care of the finances. But a lesson learned for one of my clients was when it came time for that client to file for divorce, when I started gathering and preparing information for her divorce, she had no knowledge of anything. She had simply trusted her spouse on the financial aspect of the divorce. And it became very apparent that she had no financial knowledge. And she realized that that was a mistake. While she learned that she shouldn't, it's okay, there's nothing wrong with trusting the spouse, but you should be aware of your finances during a marriage. Because when it comes time to file for a divorce, if you don't have any knowledge or awareness of what's there, it becomes very difficult for your attorney to advocate for you and fight for your rights and get you what you're entitled to. If you're going through a divorce and you don't know what your rights are or what you're entitled to, contact Kamal Law Firm. We can help you. We can look into what's there and what your rights are.